you've got a track which is just sort of barely wide enough for the car, and look at the speed. That's an insane speed. And you've got several obstacles that you have to try and avoid. There's a crane just over there which is sort of swinging around and around. You have to avoid that. And that's it. You've basically got to try and get as many points as you can. Dog, that's fine, but no Scotty dogs. I did see just before I had to restart, the sun rises in Detroit. Yeah, the sun is setting. Feels good, man. Stream back. Oh God, look at it. So you can just see that there's something rising. It's not the swing that I thought. Oh, but it's an up and it's a straight drop, which is pretty cool in and of itself. So again, we got Parachute Land. Oh, it's a haunted house. So it's a 620 yen haunted house. Job to fuck up your shit. Christ, it's scary. I've been in one before. It's terrifying, and there's no way in hell that I'm gonna do that. And you can just sort of see here, they're giving you the lowdown of it. Oh man, no. Look. See, there you go. Just haunted house. That's all you need to know. Oh, and there you go. Oh, and you can actually see just over there, like there's some people on it now, so I'm not going to look at it yet. But there's cameras inside. It's a reaction game, which is normally pretty cool. So it's 420 yen. I'm not particularly good at reaction games. I'm pretty lazy. So it says here, remote ghost. Obake yashiki no shikake. So like, if we see someone walking in, we get to fuck up their shit here. I'd set it so like, on every 10th one, this screen would have a jump scare. But I'm glad that I didn't design that. I've been in a few of those elevators to the top, and then they, unless you like need the bathroom, and you couldn't go right beforehand, because you'll need one straight after. Water cannon, there we go. So up here it's more the fun attractions. Bathroom would be good. Okay guys, we're gonna pause the stream for like 2 minutes. I'm just gonna use the facilities. Bear with me. We're back. Sorry about that. You know the old saying, when you gotta go, you gotta go. And that is the most bubblegum scented bathroom I've been in quite some time. So what have we got here? It's the good old water fountain games. Or is it just a water fountain? Oh, fuck, there it is. Oh, I just made this thing take a piss. Oh, fuck, but if you look though, there's holes all over the fucking place. So that could have been dangerous. Right, I'm gonna... Oh good, it's the same one. There's that guy that's jumping on it, it shoots it off. So I guess each one has its own individual thing. Like this one, you have to shout into it. Stream back, feels good, man. Is it your pee? Oh man, like out with the one. All right, hang on, let's see. Oh, oh. Okay, that one did nothing. Oh, but there's a kid running in it now. Okay, what does this one do? So you have to look in there and push a button. Why do I have a feeling this is going to hit me in the face? It does nothing. Maybe that's a good thing. Maybe that's a good thing. So there's a kid. I'm not going to film the kid, but he is trying. So it's basically, you have to You have to jump on there and then it'll shoot up. But will he be able to do it? I don't think he's heavy enough. I think he's too light. We have a nice bell ringing over somewhere. I wonder what the bell is. I don't know. Oh. Okay, I'm coming out. So we're gonna get a. Oh, she did it, and she got that woman wet. I think we're getting a fountain show in a sec. We're gonna watch the show. Oh, these kids who are running it now, I don't know if they heard that we're about to get a show going on. Ah! I'm stepping back though because I'm gonna get wet. Ah! Okay, I want to film the show, but there's kids in it and I don't want to film the kids. So, let's see if I can angle it in a way that I can't see. Children, no, they're too. They are excited. Actually, I need to re-white balance angle. Oh shit, it's coming here! Oh! So adjust the white balance. There we go, that's a bit better. There's a couple of these types of water displays in Detroit as well. Kids love them. They do. Kids love getting wet. Like again, as a kid, I would love them as well. And it's cool. It's a really nice little show. I love the music. It's a really good music and water accompaniment, and it's awesome to think that it's someone's job to program and design and compose all of this. Looks creepy as hell. Like if you look over there, this mist. But we are gonna carry on. Hang on, there's a comment. I can't open the comment. Chopin no Nocturno. I don't know. それはわかんない。なんかクラシック音楽は私はわからない。そしてショパンというならじゃあショパン信じている。We're gonna keep on going over that way though, because I want to have a look at that tower that's just there. The drop tower. Although it's like there's a lot of off attractions. Although this one, the lights just come on as I walk over toward it. Oh no, that one's close. It's done. この曲弾けるから、お、いいね。私は音楽は全然できない。So you stand in that one. Sorry guys. If I were to do this one, I can't show you. We can't video it. We can't stream it. It's called the Sky Flower. It's 620 yen, but it says sorry. But it's still pretty awesome. Let's watch these guys. There's an elevator over there as well going. Dun, 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 dun. Oh shit, the protective cable isn't attached. That's pretty awesome. Prove it kappa 100% goes music. Hai, shinjiteru. So over here is something called Meatsport, shop and restaurant. Oh, it's a shopping centre. So it's the shops that are added. Oh, shops that are here. So we're going to carry on. We've had fun. We've had fun at our amusement centre. I can't imagine it would stream well. Too many updates would be a digital mess on the stream. That is true, actually. Unless I just like tried to focus on one spot throughout the whole thing, in which case it'd be kind of dull. So since I plugged the battery back in, it did get us up to 46%, but we are dead. This battery is dead. It's no more. It is an X battery. So I've unplugged it. I'll plug it in again, see if it'll just get that tiny wee bit of charge. And no, it's actually pushed it down further. So with the battery being dead, so we're gonna probably get about 15 more minutes. Like we started streaming at what, 2:30? Well, a little after. Let's say 2:45. And over there you can see it's 7:05. Oh, there's a race course over there. Let's walk towards the race course, and that'll probably be where we're gonna get ready to say our goodbyes, even though we're really early. That was the quick. So yeah, like us saying, right, let's prepare to say our goodbyes, even though we've got like still a bit of time. Then the stream to just die. Hilarious. So we're going to walk over to the race course. I don't think we can do anything like that, but it'll just be a nice little target area. Fly in my mouth. Nice little target for us to try and hit in the 40% of battery that we have left. So yeah, so I'm really impressed with the second battery that we had. So next time we'll use both. My voice has gone all weird now. We'll use both. Maybe we can go a bit longer. But also next time we'll probably, there's a politician over there shouting his wares. So next time we'll probably, what party is he from? It's the Jikyuu Soaring. I don't know. Taxi. He's got taxi written on. He's got taxi written on his banner. So that's probably why all these taxis have stopped and they're listening. Yeah. So next time we'll pick another location. And again, we'll either see how far we can get, or we'll actually pick a goal and try it that way. And with the second battery as well, like most goals are going to be reachable. But again, if there is anywhere that you guys want to see, then by all means, feel free to give me that nudge, give me that shout, say, hey, I want to see this, hey, I want to go there, and we'll see what we can do for you. It's getting dark now as well. I'm climbing up these stairs. I don't know if these are the stairs I need to get to. Hey, there we are. So we've done well, except for not buying a Nintendo Switch, but tomorrow we're going to try. Oh, on the 4th floor, roller X skate. Well, they've got a batting corner as well. I'm going to go in here. Heaven knows. The Space Museum? Fucking hell, this is awesome! Look, 3rd floor, baseball, golf, bouldering. 4th floor, roller skate area. 5th floor, bowling. 6th floor, Space Museum. Why didn't I come here? Alright, next time. Maybe, probably, possibly. But we're gonna go in. Indoor golf as well, which is fun. We're gonna go up the escalator. Go! And I make the escalator move. I'm really hoping that the reception desk isn't like right there. So like, you walk in and there's no way that you can sort of change your mind. So baseball, golf and bouldering, BGB. There's not even a price guide or anything, which I was kind of hoping for. No. And I'm just having a quick look to see if there's anything about filming or anything like that. Quite busy, quite packed, lots of people. And again, whenever I do play baseball, like go to a batting centre or something, I normally do it one-handed because that's the British way. Like, we do it one-handed because that's how rounders works. Okay, they got the roller skate arena and bowling as well. Let's see how much roller skate arena is. You can tell that it's really dark outside. Okay, well then, stairs are knackering. Right, so... here we are, price size. So, for one person, 1,200 yen. Shoes rental, 500 yen. Or, how long is that for? Oh, that's good. Helmets are free. Oh, you can get a membership on as well, with lots of different skates for you to go from. Yeah, so that's kind of the price that we're looking at. And the Cuba Lounge. Is that a bar as well? It says Q Bar Lounge, so I'm hoping it's a bar. If it is a bar, then I might get a drink. If it's just bowling that looks like a bar, we're so good we only need one hand. Well, we're British, so so it's bowling that looks like a lounge. It's pretty neat. But I won't go in because the staff member at the door at the lounge entrance just sort of caught eye contact and it became awkward, and I don't like awkward. I suck. Okay, so we're gonna head back down the stairs. I would go in the elevator or the lift, but we'll probably end up getting cut off. Okay. Battery is at 13%. Da-da-da-da. Oh, bollocks. There we go. Yeah, so I might come back here at some point in the near future. Hopefully, we'll whack some balls. Or as in Doug, what was it that Mr. Dink used to say? Like, shag some balls or something like that. Oh, Mr. Dink, with your ball shagging ways. Reaching the end of the stream. Yeah, I'm gonna come down the stairs. Let's try and find somewhere nicer to do the sign off. Lawson! もうすぐだね。なんか時間じゃなくて電池がなくなりますので、今 10% ぐらい。It's the Abyss bar, but it's more food than it is bloody bar, which I really get annoyed by. Yeah, all right. Let's do our end. Facing up then, guys. So it has been. My arm's tired. I suck. I really suck. Let's follow the masses. It's been an awesome stream today. Like, we got a lot more done than I thought we would. To be honest, I thought we'd go in a couple of stores in Ikebukuro. I wasn't expecting to go into the and I thought, oh, that'll be awesome, because I know some of you guys are really into like retro stuff. I want my bars to have more drink, less food. I know, that's what I want. I genuinely want that. So like, you go out and there's times where like there's a whole stream of bars, and the first thing that you see when you walk into each one is a menu, like a food menu at that. So we saw the retro gaming store on top of the other things in Ikebukuro. From there, oh, can we get a beer? Sign off with a beer. Are they still open? I don't know if that's. It's a little beer garden. All right, hang on. What are we gonna get? Heineken. Let's get a Heineken. We'll get a Heineken, and then we'll say goodbye. Still got some battery left. Let's get my wallet out first. In fact, I'm gonna get the money ready. Let's hope that this queue. God, this is annoying. Look, it's not a queue. It's a mass of people, and I really hate masses of people. Like, form a queue, damn it. The classic game store is awesome. I know it's one of my favorite stores. Although whenever I go into those types of stores, I rarely get anything because I deem them too overpriced. Yeah, I mean, like, as we saw today, I didn't buy any games. I only bought some sort of souvenirs. And again, that was primarily because they were so nice to let us film there. But it's really cool to just go in and have a look. Oh, they've got jerk chicken. Oh, fish and chips. Oh, do I eat here? No, I'm not hungry because I had that karaage earlier. Nice. It is nice. Okay, so here's the challenge. Are we going to be able to get a drink and then sit down before the battery dies? I don't know. Are you going to pick up a girl? Probably not. Like, from here, I'll have the drink. and then I'll head home. I've still got to prepare this week's YouTube video. Well, the only thing I need to do is the thumbnail. I kind of cheated last week because I uploaded that previous stream sort of as the video. So this week we do need to do a proper video, and I've got that done. It's all filmed, recorded, edited. Just need the thumbnail. And this is the menu at the beer garden. Again, it's more food than it is drinks. Dun, 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 dun. And now, like these guys who have had all the time in the world to chat and decide what they want. I like your minimum wage videos. Oh, thanks. I love making them. And again, like we still got. Yeah, I don't know why the stream ended early there. Sometimes just drops, unfortunately. And I can't remember what I was saying. I saw Shot mention something about a new video of his coming up. Unfortunately, like when the stream dropped, like that chat disappeared. So I am looking forward to Shot's next video. And I also encourage you all to follow Shot. And it's back. Stream back. Feels amazing, man. Follow Shot, follow Trial, follow everyone else who has commented, because you've all got channels, you've all got... It took so fucking long. Konnichiwa. Heineken kudasai. Heineken. Hi. 740円でございます。1000円。260円のお返しのレシートです。こちら側でお待ちください。See? I took seconds. Knew what I was gonna have. Bish bosh booley. Hopefully I'll get mine first. It'd be lovely if I did. Yeah, like you guys all have awesome channels where you produce awesome videos or awesome streams. Concha. And like I follow you guys for a reason. It's because I enjoy your stuff. I'm happy that you guys follow me. So like check out each other's stuff. Like I'm not telling you to go and follow them. Right, I just did actually. But yeah, just go and have a look. And if you like what you see on other people, then give them a follow. Oh, making me blush. So I'm kind of winding it down now because I don't know if I'm gonna get my beer. I think they're gonna serve this trio first. Even though like mine's right doable there. It's like Subway rules. Like you've got to wait for that one in front who has a million things, despite the fact that like your item is there. Why can't it be like McDonald's rules? Okay, they got this stuff. It's on the tray. Now, go. Fuck off. Go. Fuck off. So one of them's gone. Oh man, this is agony. So I only wanted a beer. I just wanted to sit in the beer garden with the beer. Again, this is what happens when you get food involved. What seasonings have they got? They have butter, barbecue, beef curry. Ah, and there it is. The old Heine. Nice cup of beer. Right, I'm looking away from the screen. Hang on. I took a swig so I wouldn't spill. Where to sit? Right, we're gonna grab a seat. It's not in the darkness. Ouch. Not here, I'll do. So we'll grab the seat so we can sort of face on the big screen over there. Alright, guys, you have been fantastic. And this is where we part ways and we say goodbye. I'm going to sit and watch the big screen while I have my beer. Kokore owakare. Put my bag down. I'm going to put my bag down on that chair. And there we are, sat down. So guys, you've been wonderful. みんな本当にありがとうございました。今回のストリームもみんなのおかげで本当に面白くなりました。本当に楽しかった。So thanks to you guys, we could chat, we could talk, we could explore about lots of things. We had Ferris wheels, we had roller coasters, none of which we went on. But we got to see a lot. And tomorrow, I'm going to head back into Ikebukuro. And I'm going to take a chance and see if I can get a Switch. 明日もなんか池袋に行って、もしスイッチはできるかどうかわからないけど頑張っています。Shot 971. Now go, fuck off. Smiley face. That should be our sign-off line. Instead of my normal sayonara. Now go, fuck off. Have a good night, man. Load of fun. Guys, thank you very much for joining us. みんな本当にありがとうございました。But we will see you next time. So the next stream will probably be in again 3 or 4 weeks. We have to sort of spread them out for my Pocket Wi-Fi's data plan. The next video game, minimum wage game video should be up tomorrow or today. By Sunday. It'll be up by Sunday. Because it's Friday here. I'll have tomorrow. Tomorrow I should do it. Like I say, it's all done, dusted. Hang on, let me reintroduce what we bought. 今回は安いお水じゃないけど So we bought a fork. We got a fork, which will probably be a birthday present of someone in the future. And I got myself a new keyring with the Winter Games. Lovely keyring. So for now, thank you guys so much for watching this stream. And a giant keychain disc. Thank you guys so much for watching the stream. I do really appreciate it. And I will see you next time. So like always, I'm gonna say sayonara, and then I'm just gonna let the phone go. We got 2% battery, so it shouldn't last long. I'm just gonna keep here. I'll be drinking my Heineken. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm repeating myself because I have to do it as a set thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Sayonara. That was fun. Lots of walking, lots of exercise. よく歩いた。よく運動した。もう夜になった。It's already night. And I'm looking forward to the next one. 次のを楽しみにしてます。明日も楽しい。もしスイッチはできたらそれはいい。 I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Looking forward to hopefully getting a Switch.